stare at the phone. How long can he wait for the postman to come? How long can he say you're not alone? How many times can he ask? Did she call last night? Did she hang up? How long can he go on wondering? Does she want you? Does she want to stop?